Our countdown begins not with a roar, but with a buzz. In the sun-drenched savannas and dense woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa, a creature no larger than a common housefly holds the power of life and death. This is the tsetse fly, a name that whispers of a slow, creeping demise. It is a biological marvel of deadly efficiency, a perfectly evolved vessel for a microscopic parasite. Its world is one of heat, dust, and the constant search for its next blood meal, a quest that brings it into direct and fatal conflict with humans and their livestock. The tsetse fly is not a hunter in the traditional sense. It does not rely on brute strength or cunning traps. Instead, it is a vector, a living hypodermic needle. Its prey is any vertebrate animal it can find, from wild buffalo to domestic cattle, and most tragically, to humans. With a piercing proboscis, it draws blood, but it leaves behind something far more sinister, a single-celled parasite called a trypanosome. This tiny organism is the true killer, the agent of a disease known to science as African trypanosomiasis, but known to its victims by a more terrifying name, sleeping sickness. Once inside the human body, the parasite begins a relentless assault. It invades the bloodstream, the lymph nodes, and eventually the central nervous system. The initial symptoms are subtle: fever, headaches, joint pain. But as the parasite crosses the blood-brain barrier, it unleashes its final, devastating attack. The victim's personality changes, confusion sets in, and the sleep cycle is horrifically disrupted, leading to the daytime slumber and nighttime insomnia that give the disease its name. Without treatment, it is a slow, agonizing descent into a neurological nightmare, ending inevitably in coma and death. A tiny fly, with a microscopic passenger, capable of felling the strongest of